Hello everyone, I am Durga Bhavani from CSC IID department. Today I am here to discuss about the tech talk presentation on Python.
Memory can be many types. For example, a person's age is stored as a numeric value and his or her address is stored as alphanumeric characters. Python has various standard data types that are used to define the operations possible on them and the storage method for each of them. Type of data types in Python. Python has 5 standard data types: numbers, string, list, tuple, and dictionary. Python numbers. Number data types store numeric values. Number objects are created when you assign a value to them. For example, I am showing here. Python supports 3 different numeric types: int for signed integers, float, floating point real values, complex and complex numbers. All integers in Python 3 are represented as long integers. Hence, there is no separate number type of long. For examples, here are some of examples for Python supports of 3 different numeric types. A complex number consists of an ordered pair of real floating point numbers denoted by x plus yj, where x and y are real numbers and j is the imaginary unit. For example, int type a equals to 10 and print a, output equals to minus 10. And float type b equals to 10 and output equals to minus 10. Complex type 4.13j, print c. Now, Python strings. Strings in Python are identified as a contiguous set of characters represented in the quotation marks. Python allows either pair of single or double quotes. Subsets of strings can be taken using the slice operator, with indexes starting at 0 in the beginning of the string and working their way from -1 to the end. The plus sign is the string concentration operator and the asterisk is the repetition operator. For example, string hello world print string equals to hash prints complete string, and this is the program of Python strings. And this is another example of the hello world. Now, what are the Python lists? Lists are the most versatile of Python's compound data types. A list contains items separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. To some extent, lists are similar to arrays in C. One of the difference between them is that all the items belong to a list can be of different data type. The values stored in a list can be accessed using the slice operator, with indices starting at 0 in the beginning of the list and working their at 0 in the beginning of the list and working their way to end -1. The plus sign is a list concentration operator and the asterisk is a repetition operator. For example, this is the example of the Python list. And here I am showing another example of the Python list. And now, what are the Python tuples? A tuple is another sequence data type that is similar to the list. A tuple consists of a number of values separated by commas. Unlike list, however, tuples are enclosed with parentheses. The main difference between list and tuple is list are enclosed in brackets and their elements and size can be changed, while tuples are enclosed in parentheses and cannot be updated. Tuples can be thought of as read-only list. For example, tuple equals to ABCD, and this is the example of the tuples. And this is one more example program of the tuples. The following code is invalid with tuple because we attempt to update a tuple which is not allowed. Similar case is possible with list. And this is the what is the Python dictionary. Python dictionaries are kind of hash table type. They work like associative arrays or hashes found in Perl and consist of key value pairs. A dictionary key can be almost any Python tuple, but are usually numbers of strings. Values, on the other hand, can be an arbitrary Python object. Dictionaries are enclosed by curly braces and values can be assigned and accessed using square brackets, for example. And this is an example program of the Python program. And thank you.